Hey guys, and welcome back to the Spruce and Linen channel. I'm Janelle, and today's video is just about reality. So I was gonna make a video about making displays for the market that I'm doing in May, and so many things happened. It's just reality. So the biggest thing that happened is just realizing that my 8x10 booth, when I started marking out where things were gonna go, is a lot smaller than I thought. So then that kind of is revamping the way that I set up, the way that these displays are gonna be made, and all those kind of things. And the other thing is, this reality is the fact that it's tax season now, and we're trying to get all our stuff together so that we can claim for a business for the first time. You want to be in this? So yeah, it's been a really stressful week. This is the first time I'm doing a market. This is the first time we're trying to do business accounting, and it's just been kind of crazy. And so I was just like, you know what? I need to let myself off the hook just a little bit in regards to getting this booth ready, because I need to hash it out better. I want to do this the best I can. I always have really high expectations, which sometimes need to be lowered, but at the same time, I want to do everything to the best of my ability. So that's going to mean a little bit more planning. I still have over a month until the market, so I want to make sure that booth is going to look the best that I can. So then we decided we need to not make those displays today. I need to hash out the layout a little bit better and all of those things, and then we'll go back to it. So yeah, it's been one of those weeks. I'm sure all of you can relate. If anyone has market advice, please send it my way, because I can use all of it. But what I really want to do is make a lot of videos as we prep for this market, because I have been finding it really hard to find good ones on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to do. So when we do make those market displays, I'm going to show you that. I'm going to take lots of pictures of my booth, because it's hard to find booths that are for weavers. I find there's so much more clothing and jewelry and those kinds of things, but I really want to show how I end up putting together my booth as a woven wall hanging booth. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited. I am. Now I need to go get back to work. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.